So, me and Sarah have the hiccups, you know, right? And mine are like really obnoxious, and I don't. And I'm not trying to make them like this. They just happen. Sarah's sitting on her bed, and I'm just chilling. One. See this, Sarah?
We were having a burping contest because we're so ladylike, you know. And now we're okay.
I think my hiccups went away.
I think mine did too.
No. Hiccups suck. Hiccups are the worst, dude.
I need a piece of gum.
I don't know why I have like a squeal in mine. Oh god, she's dying. Okay, I'm gonna attempt to put the camera right there, and I feel like it's really close to my face. I have to put my
You
phone.
look really fat from what I can see.
I'm not fat, guys. Wait, 105, just in case you want. Okay, new song.
Okay, try not to care.
Oh yeah.